Have you ever told everyone about something big you wanted to do? Did you notice what happened next? Sometimes when we speak too much about our dreams, they become harder to reach. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young man named Simon. He had big dreams. Every week, he started something new. One day, he wanted to open a shop. The next week, he planned to learn pottery. Then he decided to build a house. But Simon had a strange habit. Before he began anything, he told everyone in the village about his plans. He walked through the market and shouted, "I will open the biggest shop in this village." People clapped. They smiled. They said kind words. Simon felt proud. He felt important. That night, he slept well, but the next morning, when it was time to start working, he felt tired. The energy was gone. Days passed. He never opened the shop, and Simon decided to learn pottery again. He gathered people in the village square. He spoke loudly about his new dream. "I will make the most beautiful pots. Everyone will buy from me." People praised him. They encouraged him. Simon felt wonderful. But again, after a few days, he lost interest. He never touched clay. This pattern continued for years. Simon announced every dream. People celebrated his words, but his hand stayed empty. His life did not change. He felt ashamed. He couldn't understand why he always failed. Deep inside his heart grew heavy. He felt stuck. One evening, Simon sat alone near the old well. An elder from the village approached him. The elder sat down next to Simon. He was a quiet man who spoke only when it was necessary. He looked at Simon's empty hands and then at his sad face. "Simon," the elder said softly, "you are trying to build a house using only the smoke from a fire." Simon looked up confused. "What do you mean, master?" The elder picked up a small stone from the ground. "When you have a big plan, it is like a tiny seed. To grow a seed needs to be hidden in the dark soil. It needs quiet. It needs to stay underground where no one can see it." He continued, "When you tell everyone your plans, you are taking that seed out of the dirt and showing it to the sun too early. The sun dries it up. The wind blows it away. Your energy is spent on talking instead of doing." The elder explained why Simon felt so tired after talking. When people clap for your ideas, your brain thinks you have already finished the job. You feel happy today, so you don't work tomorrow. Every word you speak about your dream takes away the strength you need to actually build it. Once you tell everyone, you worry about what they think. This makes you scared to fail, so you never start. The elder gave Simon one simple piece of advice. From now on, give your tongue a rest and let your hands do the talking. Simon listened. He went home and decided to finally build that house. This time, he did not go to the market. He did not shout in the square. He woke up early and moved stones in silence. When neighbors asked what he was doing, he simply said, "I am just busy today." Months passed. One morning, the villagers walked by the hill and saw a beautiful, strong house standing where there used to be nothing. They were shocked.